It's safe to say that the struggle to make flat, lifeless hair look bouncy and voluminous is one that is real. So I've made a list of some super fun and easy to follow hacks that can make your strands look like it's just gotten a heavenly blow up. If your scalp collects more oil than your favorite fried food, know that you're not the only one. So how do you get rid of that grimy mess on the days you have a ton of things on your checklist? Blotting sheets. This amazing beauty tool works in a similar way for your scalp like it does for your face. These thin sheets absorb all the excess oil without disturbing your style. Just dab one on your partings and press it on your scalp with a gentle touch. And watch the grease get soaked away. A lot of us think that a blow dry is only for freshly washed hair, but it's amazing for when your hair is looking flat too. While blow drying, brush across your scalp in every possible direction. The heat will actually help dry out the excess oil, and the paddle brush helps in adding some much needed fluff. This is a great way to refresh and style your hair at the same time. Hair crimpers may have been left behind in the 90s, but they're actually amazing for thin hair. This tool helps to mimic backcombing to create volume around the roots without any knots. All you have to do is clip up the crown section of your hair away from the rest. Now start crimping all your hair from your roots to a couple inches down the lengths. Smooth over the clipped up hair to cover the crimped sections, and no one will ever know your little secret. I love how chic and stylish messy buns look, and they work even better when you sleep with them, especially when paired with a miracle dry shampoo. Before you sleep, spray some dry shampoo onto sections of your hair close to the roots and then tie your hair in a loose bun with a soft scrunchie. The dry shampoo soaks up any excess oils that your scalp might create overnight, and the bun gives you a lift so you wake up with super bouncy hair. We might not always feel our best and freshest, but it does not mean we need to look it. I really do hope these tips that I use myself quite often saves you from any bad hair days. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.